We now move to session 6, Building Self-Confidence by Mr. Shanmugasundaram. Mr. A. Shanmugasundaram is a psychologist, motivational speaker and HRD trainer. He has an academic background in psychology and has more than 3 decades of banking and about a decade of training cum counseling experience. It's over to Mr. Shanmugasundaram.
Good afternoon. So in fact, it's a great day for all of us, is it not? Is it a great day or not? Great day, really. You are going to be empowered with 56 topics by 18 experts. Good. Knowing others is wisdom. Knowing yourself is enlightenment. How many of you know about yourselves? How many of you are feeling confident? How many of you are looking confident and how many of you are feeling confident? Everybody has dreams, lot of dreams to achieve, lot of dreams, aims, expectations, wishes. But all the winners and achievers had one factor in common. They had a powerful confidence level. Their confidence level was so high. Self-confidence is the main engine for the car. If you want to drive fast your car, the engine should be a perfect one. You can attach any extra parts. The powerful item is the engine. You should have a confident mentality. We are all born powerful. How many of you can understand? How many of you can support my point? We are born powerful. How many of you can? Please raise your hand. Yes. We are born powerful. I can tell you, share 2 scientific facts. In the school curriculum, we might have learnt about the human reproduction. But I am going to talk about the scientific methodology. When a small egg from the female system, one small egg is produced, and from the male system, lakhs of sperms are produced. Out of the lakhs of sperms, only one sperm has the power to join with the egg. And thus, after joining, we got life. At the time of birth itself, we have defeated lakhs of sperms. We are born powerful. Where our confidence level have gone now? Why we are not looking confident? Why you are not feeling confident? Where we have lost the power? We don't know about ourselves. We are yet to know about ourselves. We are all along analyzing about the negative factors of other persons, but we are yet to know about ourselves. We don't know what are the strength we have. In which areas we are strong, we don't know. When you are attending an interview, there is going to be one question. What are your strengths? That may be a direct question. If I am in the interview board, I will put it in a different way. What are the things really you are proud about yourself? What are the things if I ask your professor or lecturer about yourself, what he or she will say about yourself? Unless you know about your strength, you cannot feel confident. Your self-esteem will not go high. Your self-esteem should be high only when you know the power inside. We are born powerful. Throughout our life, we can achieve a lot. Unless the confidence level is maintained, somewhere we will be losing our life. Many people are rationalizing ourselves. Previous speakers have touched upon the points. We have been telling ourselves a lot of negative self-talk is going inside our mind right from the morning to till evening to go to bed. I am not lucky. I know about my luck. What my astrological chart says. My horoscope says like this. So many self-talk is going on inside. You have to change. You have to change the self-talk. Right now, from today onwards, run only the positive self-talk. Powerful confidence level will come up. And I will give one more powerful scientific fact. You will really surprised to know. The one egg is joining with the one small sperm. The sperm cannot be seen with the naked eyes. It can be seen only through microscope. But the small, very smallest tiny particles having a small DNA and gene, it is carrying a software. After the birth, at the age of 5, how the boy should be, how the girl should be. At the age of 10 years, how the boy should be. at the age of 20 years, how the girl should be, like that. You might have seen the people around. Mother and daughter will be going in the road. Two will be looking alike, just like Xerox. What is a beautiful software is given there? If father is tall, son is also become taller. A very big software is written inside a very tiny particle of the sperm or the egg. Our system is so powerful. Our mind and body is they are so powerful. We are yet to know the power of it. Our confidence level has to come up. Otherwise, we may not be expecting the results to come. Are we expecting the oranges to fall sitting under the apple tree? We don't have the mentality to enjoy the apple. At the same time, we don't have a mentality to shift to some other place where oranges can't fall. Our expectation, sometimes it may be wrong. Our confidence level goes down. And other people are giving comments about yourself, and our confidence level goes down. While wearing a tie or wearing a blazer, I am asking the other person, how it is? Is it looking nice? Somebody says nice, my confidence level immediately goes up. And somebody says it's not looking nice, my confidence level goes down. My happiness goes down. My happiness lying inside or outside? Our happiness should be lying inside. If you are searching outside, we will be miserably failing in our life. Feel happy. Don't look happy. Don't rationalize yourself that I am not lucky. I am not that much capable. I know what is my power, like that. Don't underestimate yourselves. It doesn't matter what the world is going to think about you, but what you think about yourself, that is going to be the matter. Feel confident. Feel I can do. Have an I can do mentality. Definitely all the doors are open for you. You have to improve your confidence level. I will give you some of the tips how you can improve your confidence level. Even the interview board, people are checking up one of the parameters whether the candidate is a confident person or not. If a confident person, if it's not a confident personality, you may not be able to answer the questions properly throughout the 20 minutes, 15 minutes time. Till the end of the session, you have to maintain the confidence level. You should be looking at the other person's eyes. If your confidence level is not high, you may not be looking at the eyes of the interviewer. So confidence level plays a major role in our life. All the achievers had that. All the successful people had that. So definitely, we have to build up our confidence level. Yes, I can do wonders in my life. My purpose of the life is definitely do something special. I can do wonders in my life. I can achieve a lot. That type of feeling should be running inside your mind. You have to analyze about yourself. You might have come across some training sessions where SWOT analysis are being done. Only in the training sessions we can analyze about ourselves. All along we have been analyzing about other people only. So what are your strengths? In which area you are strong enough? In which area you can develop further? Only in your stronger areas we can shine in your life. Which area you are really strong enough? Where is the potential is there? Definitely you can develop a lot and shine, and you can increase your income also multifold in that area only. In which areas you are lacking confidence, in which areas you are lacking control, I don't want to say the word weakness, but you can say in which areas I want to improve myself, in which areas I want to change myself, which are the areas stopping my success. A balloon has to fly means it has to fly. If so many threads are there, definitely the balloon will not fly. If it has been tied up with so many threads, definitely the balloon will not fly. So you have to see that the balloon is flying high. We have the power to fly high, but still we don't feel so because our confidence level is low. We have the power to fly just like an eagle, but we feel like a chicken and will live like a chicken because our confidence level is too low. We have to find out what are the opportunities in your life. Which opportunity I can use, I can come up in my life. Which area I can shine well. What are the opportunities available in that line? Every day is a new page in your life history, in your life directory. You can create a new page in your life every day. Every day is a wonderful opportunity for you. you can change your life, you can improve your life. Continuous improvement is called Kaizen. Are we improving continuously so that our confidence level will be maintained always? Are we trying to change ourselves, or are we running the same life what we had yesterday, what we had last week, what we had last month? If you are going to run the same pattern of life, are we going to get the success what we expect in our life? We have to think somewhere else, change the route. Think of a life where there is, you can say, no excuse, no complaints, no blames. Our potential is completely hidden in these areas. Throughout the day, there is no need to say excuses, no need to blame anybody. There is no need for complaint. If you are using these three areas, then definitely your potential will be hiding somewhere else. Your confidence level will be very low. You have to improve your confidence level. I will give you simple, powerful steps how you can improve your confidence level. Don't say anything negative about you to anybody else. My memory is weak. I have seen many students telling like this. If you are telling to so many people or telling yourself, self-negative talk is going on, your system will act like that. So don't ever put yourself down. Always think high about you. Work on your weakness one at a time. To find out some of the areas you want to change in your life, but try to attack one issue at a time, one area, then you can slowly improve one by one. If you want to work on 3-4 areas at the same time, definitely the results may not be expected. Again, your confidence level will go down. And never stop trying. Just whenever we talk about trying, we remember only Thomas Alva Edison. Really a visionary person who tried 1,000 times. Can you imagine a person who is trying 1,000 times to invent the bulb? What is the power of his system? Same power we also have. Somewhere else we have lost. After first try, second try, we lose our charm, our interest over it. We don't have that much power on our goal. We don't have that much power on our dream. We don't give power to our ideas. But Thomas Alva Edison lived for it. He never said as failure, he took everything, I have not done the right way. 1,000 times a person tried means what is his confidence level, how much his clarity is, that you have to, if you have 5% of what Thomas Alva Edison had, definitely we can achieve a lot in our life. We can have Thomas Alva Edison as our role model. Never stop trying. Till you reach your goal, till you reach your destination, never stop trying. Whatever may be the thing, whatever may be the block, whatever may be the barriers, whatever may be the obstacles, go ahead. Face the challenges. We have all the power inside. I told you, we are born powerful. Feel powerful. We can attack all the obstacles. We can come over, cross over. Definitely, we can enjoy the life we want. That is the power of our system. Paint a pleasure picture about yourself always. Don't have a sad face. Don't feel sad. Feel happy. Celebrate life. Every day is for celebration. Every day should have a happy mood. Right from morning to evening till night you go to bed. Feel happy. Enjoy. Enjoy the life. Why you should have a sad face and making other people also sad? If you walk through the rose garden, your body should have the rose fragrance. Walk with the successful people. Definitely you will have a success fragrance in your life. Walk with the confident people. Definitely you will have also confidence. Identify the people who are spoiling your system with negative perceptions, negative ideas. Keep away from you. Keep away from those people. Keep away your system from those negative people. Definitely you can build up your confidence level to a new high level. Whenever small success is happening, go to the mirror. See your face. See your image. Compliment yourself. Yes, I have done it. Yes, this is the way I am going to do it. Yes, I have a lot of success on my stock. I am going to achieve a lot. Definitely, that will give a boost to your system. Every day you will feel more powerful. You have to build up your confidence level like that only. Believe facts and not feelings. And you also have to choose a role model in your life. You want to become such and such a person. I want to follow the path of some successful person. my previous speaker has already told, don't imitate, but little bit I like to have a, till a level is there, you can imitate. Imitate, copy, or follow the footpaths of other successful person. Definitely, till you feel that you are a successful person, nothing wrong in it. Come away from the regular thing, right? Take credit when good jobs are done. Accept it. And whenever you walk faster, 25% speed, increase the speed by 25%, walk faster. Feel confident walking. Confident people will walk faster. They will not walk slowly. Right? You are born powerful, but don't ever lose the thing. At any point of time, what are the problems are there? What are the obstacles you are facing it? Don't lose your confidence. Right? Don't compare with others. Your system is something unique. Your USB is something different. You are powerful in some areas. Other people are powerful in some other areas. Don't compare yourself. Don't underestimate yourselves. You are born powerful. Alright? So smile big, volunteer, and join with the group to help others. Definitely you can enjoy a very powerful life. The quality of the painting is the responsibility of the painter. The quality of the idol is the responsibility of the sculptor. The quality of your life is the responsibility of you. You have the power to live the way you want to. You have all the power to achieve your goals and dreams. Have a wonderful life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Shanmugasundaram. May I now request Group Captain Vijay Kumar to kindly present a memento to Mr. Shanmugasundaram. That was a session on building self-confidence.